May I call you back?
Say good morning.
Morning.
I need your help.
What's up?
I come to you because I know you understand me as my fellow woman. Have you done terrible things because of love? Because you love and trusted someone?
We all do. They do sometimes.
Have you ever killed someone because of love?
Kill someone? For what? Why would I kill somebody?
That's my situation, my sister. I killed someone because of love.
You killed someone? Hey! Where? When?
I killed my mother.
Your mama? Your mama? Hey! No, wahala. You be my fellow woman. No be. Come. Better people. Come. Now you talk small. Your mama now you kiss her. No wahala. Come. Nothing there. Come on, that's small.
Mr. Samuel Igenti.
Where are your criminal friends?
I don't know. Officer, I told you before, they are not my friends. They are just neighbors. And that day, I went there to borrow fire extinguisher from them.
I've heard that nonsense story before. How much was your share of the money that was stolen?
Share? I swear, I never saw or know anything about
any money. Don't make any nonsense and ask you questions.
Go straight to the point. You don't know anything about any money. Then why did you act as a spy for them during the operation?
Me? Spy?
Yes, spy.
You are the only one who saw them when they were leaving. The only one who met the girl when she came looking for them. The only one who saw Mrs. Carroll when she came to look for a sugar bobo and he said you're not a spy. Samuel, by the time I finish with you, I swear you will not remember your name again.
Officer, I'm not a spy. Let me call my brother. I never expected this.
As you call your brother to come and bail you, take him inside. Give him the condition of bail. Remember, he's a prime suspect.
Yes, sir.
We are following her. She will tell you the condition of bail. Yes, sir. We are move. My friend, move. Move. All your people, let them come and bail you. Fire extinguisher.
I don't know anything. I was just doing my job. It is that his girlfriend that knows everything. Okay, I don't know anything. No, I was with him in the office the other day doing something for him. When the girl called him and he left, okay, please, I don't know anything. I've not heard from him again since that day.
That's your manager. What does she know about this issue?
Ma, she doesn't know anything. Auntie Vicky is just doing her job. All of us in the office, we don't know anything. Don't know anything, sir. Don't know anything. All these girls be doing cho like somebody that is looking for something to eat. Oh God, please, hold that Gina girl, hold that strongly, please,
We have heard you. You do well. Meanwhile, call your people to come and bail you. You understand?
Sir, please, please. I don't have anybody to come and bail me. Please. Please, sir. Please.
Take her into the cell. Sure.
Please,
you will understand. I want you to come and bail you.
Your plan was to elope with this Richard, but he double-crossed you and ran away with the whole money, two of us.
No, sir. I had no such plan.
Oh, okay. I am lying, Okay, why did you call him to follow you to the bank?
I did not call him.
Because you loved him. Like Romeo and Juliet, He wanted his company, of course, you understand. But you were there when he filled the transfer form. You even gave him the bank details. But now you claim that you did not know what he filled in the form. Answer!
God is my witness, sir. I know nothing.
Shut up your mouth!
But you said in your statement that he showed you the form after filling it. Isn't it?
Yes, he did show me the form, but he just...
Oh, shut up, you small lying criminal! You think you're talking to children here? Oh, listen, it took you so long a time to come out. so that he will have time to escape. Then you go and join him later. Is that not so?
That's not true, sir. It's not true.
It's not true. Oh, you want to practice all those nonsense you read on the internet, eh? You will go in for this. My friend, as our father showed up yet.
No, sir. But the way the man sounded, sir, I don't think it's coming.
See your life? See you? Your father knows you are a criminal. That is why he has abandoned you. My friend, take her into the cell.
Sure, sir. Move! Get up!
Move! My friend, move!
I know nothing
Move.
about it.
Get out! Get out!
Small criminal. Internet criminal. Madam.
Yeah.
Do you want me to tell you the truth?
Go ahead.
This is a very serious case.
Okay.
If it gets to headquarters, there is nothing I can do about it. But if you want me to bring my foot out to help you.
Oh! What did I hear you say? That I should bribe you?
Who is talking of bribe here? I really want to help you. Do you know this case? Your boy stole 12.1 million naira and you are an accomplice.
But he's an adult.
Adult?
Yes.
Oh, adult?
Yes.
And they found your car with him.
But wait, was my name mentioned there?
Your car was with him, so you are an accomplice.
No way, it doesn't make sense. As far as I'm concerned, he's an adult and you are here telling me to bribe you.
Madam, I've changed my mind. Go and get me a call.
There's nothing you can do. And let me tell you, it's not a threat but a promise. Any further statement from you is not a threat but a promise. I'm going to take it up and I will pull off this uniform from you. Dismiss you finally from this police room.
Do you know who you're talking to? You are talking to an officer of the law.
And do you know that you just asked the wife of a commissioner of the Federal Republic of Nigeria to bribe you?
Bribe? Who's talking about that? Look, I've even changed my mind.
I can see you.
Go and get me handcuffed.
I can see you're tired of this place work. I will sack you. I will dismiss you from this work.
Move!
Don't watch me move.
Don't move an inch.
You can't do anything.
I said
arrest her.
Arrest her! Don't move! Oh.
You watch me go.
I said
Make
don't
sure
move.
you don't come closer, just an inch closer to my
Madam.
side. Because I'm going to deal with you. I'm going to pull up this uniform from you. Next time you will know how to talk to people. And you know that it's not anybody you see on the road. You tell the person to give you bribe. Nonsense.
Madam.
You are the
You are talking to an officer.
I should arrest her.
This one is bad market. This one is sure in a commissioner. Bad market. Anyway, I will get her. Don't worry. Get me the file of those other people you arrested.
Yes, sir.
Congratulations, man. Congratulations. This is your visa.
My visa?
Yes.
It's here?
Yes.
All right.
This is your visa. Thank you. Congratulations, man. Congratulations.
Nice one.
My guy.
I trusted you.
Yeah.
Bros,
Yes.
this is South African visa.
Yes.
Yes.
See you guys, listen. You know, you cannot get to US without biometrics. It's obvious. Okay. The only thing I can do is to get South Africa visa for you, okay? Because we have a contact in South Africa. So if you get there, from there they will do South Africa passport for you. Then after the passport,
What the fuck are you saying? What are you saying?
I'm just trying to help you. I'm just trying to help you. I'm just trying to stop embarrassing me, okay? Except you guys want to go to American embassy by yourselves. Then go. I will refund you your money. Okay? In fact, let me just. I don't want this embarrassment. I'm bigger than that money. How much is that, sir?
What is the way forward?
Hey, this is just the only thing. Just cool down. Let me talk to you. Just cool down. We just need 2 million naira. Just 2 million naira.
Because if you make any more demands for money, I will strangle you with my bare hands. Are you mad? Are you mad?
Like, cool down, relax. This is not a shouting.
What kind of a thing is this?
It's not thief issue. If you want me to refund your money, I'll refund your money. I'm not trying to help you. Okay? The 2 million naira will just help us. Because our contact in South Africa, they will receive you guys. Once you land in South Africa, they will receive you and they will get South African passport for you. Okay? Then they will get American visa. Bros, in no time,
We had an agreement.
Yes.
Why didn't you keep to yours?
Bros,
I kept to mine. I gave you all the money. And now you're telling me you're demanding 2 million. What the hell do you want us to get 2 million naira from?
Hey, relax! I said relax!
Are you talking on me?
Okay, calm down.
When are we leaving?
Calm down. This night, by 10 p.m., your flight is steaming. Okay? So, I'm just here to tell you guys to be ready because I'll be coming by 8 p.m. to pick you guys up and with your ticket. But that is if I have that 2 million naira. Because that 2 million naira will help me to mobilize the agent, our contact over there. That 2 million naira, they will use it to get South Africa passport for you. And right there in South Africa, get the American visa. And boy, in few hours, you will be in America.
Richard, please, can I see you shortly?
I'll be back by 8 o'clock to pick you guys up. Think about it.
My in-law, I don't understand this. How can you abandon your daughter at the police station? Let me also tell you, that girl, she is also my daughter. Whatever that has happened, you must go and bring her back. Then we will settle everything in the family.
I trusted my daughter with my wife's life, but she chose to mess it up with a so-called friend. I warned her to separate herself from that boy, but she wouldn't listen. The day I met that boy, I saw the evil in his eyes. Yes, I saw it, but I was too busy saving my wife's life. Now I have lost all.
I can't understand this, my in-law. I can't. Is it one nigga of yesterday doing boyfriend, lovey, throwing such amount of money away? Hey, that money can buy a whole village. Makene ego agbagota. My in-law, please, put yourself together. Let us go in search of that boy. Let us go in search of that money. So that we will give my sister a befitting burial. Please. But, where is the boy now? No. The boy can't be in the air. He must be somewhere hiding. But, Kanjoy, when did he take the money?
Last Friday.
Chimu. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. My in-law, please, go and bail your daughter. She can help us to find this boy. Please.
That will not bring my wife back.
But he can bring back the money. Where is the police station?
I don't know.
Don't worry. Tomorrow morning, I will go in search of the police station. I will bail my sister's daughter. She is also my daughter. I will bail her. Hi. Millions. Million. Mbano. Omanano. Hi.
How much exactly is required for this surgery?
12 million naira, sir. But I'm just asking for a loan of 2 million naira and whatever you can add on top to help.
12 million naira. Anyway, we sympathize with your situation, Mr. Agbo. I'm going to help you, but you will also help the company. I will give you the sum of 300,000 naira. But that will be your payoff. Yes. You need time to take care of madam. And the company has to move on.
But I don't want to resign, sir. I'm just asking for a loan.
I heard you very well, Mr. Agbo. Your records show you have worked with this company for 13 good years. But right now, the company is suffering because of your situation. And that is not good enough. So as the MD of this company, I am offering you the best option in the circumstance.
Sir, can you make it up to at least 1 million?
Excuse me, Mr. Agbo. Please don't get on my nerves. You have no idea how much loss this company has incurred due to your situation. We lost a deal of 25 million naira from Orange Drinks because you were not there to service machines required for the order. Not to talk about the amount of damaged raw materials because you were never there. But we endured all this because of who you are. Don't be selfish about this. Please, go and put up your resignation letter and pick up your check. Thank you.
Job, my car, my wife, my joy. What a life.
I'm sorry. Where do you want me to go?
I don't care where you go.
She was my mother, Dad. And I love that too.
I don't believe you. You love a criminal more, so just go. Because if you stay here with every passing moment, I will hate you more and more. Just go.
Daddy, where will I go? That is me, your queen. Your flesh and blood, Daddy.
No flesh and blood of mine will do what you did. You are now my nightmare.
Daddy, I was tricked. I was tricked, Daddy.
Yes, by a man. What does that tell me? A whole lot. So just go. Let me mourn my wife.
Daddy, please.
Go.
Daddy, please don't do this to me, Daddy. Daddy, don't do this to me, Daddy. Daddy, please. Daddy, where do you want me to go, Daddy? Oh, God. Mommy, oh, God. Daddy, I was tricked. I was tricked, Daddy.
Gina, try and eat something. Since morning. Eh? You can't continue like this. I hope you know that. Okay, let me help you with your food. Gina, please open your mouth now. Take something. I don't know what else to do for you. Me, I'm going to bed.
What is it? You look sick. Huh? You look sick and unhappy. What is it, my dear?
You want me, but I didn't understand.
Richard ruined my life. He destroyed everything about my family. He escaped to America. Abandoned me here. Hated and despised by everyone. My life has been miserable this past 3 months.
You've not told me exactly what this boy did. But did I hear you say he escaped to America?
He's in America now.
Aba, Kiriane, that is not true. He is in Lagos.
Elijah, what did you say? It's not possible.
The Gaskia, he is in Lagos. I saw him with my 2 eyes. He's in Lagos.
Elijah, wait. Wait, Elijah. Elijah, come. Elijah, look at the person I'm talking about.
Shine Barawodin, that is the thief. I saw him in Lagos. You know, I just returned from Hajj a few days ago, and I spent some days in Lagos. I have an office there. There is this hotel I stay in. It's not far from my office. I saw him. That is the thief. See, come with me to my office so that you tell me this story better. I need to understand what exactly happened. Come. I know that this boy is evil, but this is incredible. 12.1 million naira. Why you? I am sorry about your mother.
Thank you, Elijah.
Kai. If all you have told me is true, then let me pick him and lock him up. Huh? Then give me his particulars, everything about him. Give it to me. Kai, walai wannan babban barawo ne fa. He's a thief.
Elijah, I want to ask you for a favor. Will you do it for me?
What is it? Tell me anything and I will do it for you.
Let me handle Richard by myself.
I don't understand. What do you mean handle him by yourself?
Let me go to Lagos and see him face to face.
You want to go and reconcile with him and I will be the fool?
How can you say that, Alhaji? How can you say that?
Because you love him.
Love? Alhaji, did I hear you say love? A man who dig a dagger in my life and in the life of my family. A man who destroyed my present and my future. That would not be love, Alhaji. That would be foolishness.
Then allow me to lock him up and put him away in prison. Allow me.
Prison will not be enough punishment for him. I want to get my own punishment. That will be more painful than prison.
You have really grown overnight, my dear. So what kind of punishment are you talking about?
I don't know, Alhaji. Let me see him first. Then I will know what to do.
I don't know why I am doing this, but there is something about you that is very irresistible. I will help make your mission an easy one. I will not only give you money, but I will give you also some other forms of assistance. My wonderful manager in Lagos, Debbie, she will also assist you.
Thank you very much, Alhaji.
But please, do not take the laws into your own hands. Kinjibo? And let me warn you, do not allow him to escape again. Because one later lie, if you allow him to do that, I will personally prosecute you myself. Kinjibo?
I promise, Alhaji, you will be proud of me.
What time do you want to leave? When do you want to leave?
First thing tomorrow morning.
Badama. Come here by 8 in the morning and I will have a package ready for you.
Thank you so much, Alhaji. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Alhaji. Daddy, I'm going away to a far place. Do not look for me. I will be okay. Please take good care of Daniel. I'll be back as soon as I can accomplish my mission. Bye. Please stop drinking.
Gina.
Wow. Your compound is beautiful.
Welcome to my abode. You're welcome. Come on in, let's go inside. Here we go. What do you have inside this bag? My money. Okay, darling. Let's go. Sorry. Come on in. Here we go. You see, as soon as Alhaji called me, I set to work. We run a very big travel agency and I have all the contacts. You see, Richard and his friend 3 months ago traveled to the US with forged visa and passport. He was deported 1 week after and was in hiding until he met this Alison Swiss of a lady. She fell for him and they're set to be married in a week in London.
Who is this Alison Swiss?
She's a very rich lady from Niger Delta, a divorcee who's desperate for love and thinks she's found one in Richard. She has an oil well here, businesses everywhere and abroad.
How did Richard get involved with such a woman?
I heard he was engaged to update computer and CCTV cameras in a house in GRA.
Yes, he just into people easily with his IT stuff.
I see. The lady's hotel is close to her office. She comes there once in a while with the love of her life, which is where Alhaji saw him.
Wow, interesting.
It is. He's a crook. A fraud. I think that his intentions are just to follow the woman abroad and then escape from there.
Exactly. Richard never liked older women.
So, Gina, what exactly do you want to do?
Debbie, I don't know. I just want him to see me face to face at close range. I just want him to see that little naive girl he took advantage of. That is all I want.
And just how do you intend to achieve that?
Alhaji said anything I want, you will arrange. He has so much confidence in you.
I see. Come on, sit down. Sit down. I'll need 2 days to arrange something. The manager of the hotel, his name is Chaik. He's my friend. He wouldn't refuse me any favor.
Thank you very much, Debbie. Thank you so much. Thank you. It's not bad for his dad. Thank you.
Oh, God. I can't have enough of you, baby.
Me too, sweetheart.
Even my friends have noticed how happy I am these days. Courtesy of you.
Ow, my head is swooning. I'm flattered, baby.
You know what? I have business. I've made money. But I never found true love. I told you about my first marriage.
Yes, to that insecure, lazy, gold-digging man. You know, such men are dangerous to sophisticated women like you.
You can say that again. After him, all the guys that came my way, they are all gold diggers.
Am I one of them?
Saying it for the uptenth time. You are gold. How can you come gold digging? I love you.
I love you more, sweetheart.
I love you. I love you. I love you.
I'm gonna come over you. Liar!
Hey girl,
Did you sleep well?
Yes, good morning.
Good morning, darling. How are you?
Fine.
I see. You're not too tired to go shopping with me today, are you?
Not at all. Would love to see more of this very famous city, Lagos.
There's nothing too spectacular about it. It's just one of our crowded cities.
Don't worry. Would love to see the crowd and what makes people crowded up.
You sure will. You sure will, darling. That reminds me. I'd love to go see my tailor today. You mind joining me?
No, not at all. Why not? We'll go together.
At least from there we can go see the city, see the mall, everywhere you want to go to.
Okay.
Come, grab a cup of coffee.
Alright, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Look at my baby looking so cute. Good morning.
Good morning. So tell me, what do we have?
For breakfast we have coffee, toasted bread, Spanish omelette. Take me to the table right away.
Come here. Come to mama.
There we go. So, there we are.
Yeah.
Why don't you just sit down while I serve you like the queen you are?
You're just serving me the coffee.
Oh, most definitely.
Yeah.
So there we go.
Okay.
Take your breakfast. That's more like it. Please, please.
That's it.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's have yours. I'm gonna feed you.
What?
Come on. For real.
Please stop.
For real. Okay.
Please stop.
Now, you eat with me. Love you, baby.
Love you more, darling. So now you're gonna agree I'm a good cook.
Yeah.
You're back. Yes, I'm back. I just came in now.
How did it go?
Oh, you can't believe it. The manager said I should start work tomorrow.
Wow, that is good, you know. I'll call Chike and thank him.
And that place is a very big place. I told you. Thank you very much.
You liked it, yes?
Of course.
Come on in, let's go prepare for your first day at work. Thank you. I told you you were going to like it.
You can never get away. Did you have to make me cry?
But you.
Yeah.
All right. There we are.
Let me tell you something.
What do you want to tell me?
Your ears only.
I love you. Love you, Mommy. You look ravish.
Okay, you said that before. You said that before. You too. My baby.
Okay, see you. All right. I know you very well.
Good morning. I've not seen your face before.
Yes, ma. I just resumed 2 days ago.
What's your name?
Gina Aguma.
Do you have the skill and strength for this position?
Yes, ma.
Are you sure?
I have a diploma in accounting and a computer literate, and I think I have a good PR.
She's smart.
Yeah, she's beautiful.
I said smart, not beautiful.
Yeah, smart.
Well, just make sure you attend to the guests just the way you've attended to me and my husband. If you must remain here.
Yes, ma. Thank you very much, ma.
Thank you,
Madam is very nice.
Why?
She's a very tough woman. Anytime she comes, everybody is in trouble. Even the manager. The last time she came, she sacked 3 staff on the spot and called in the police to arrest the accountant for one small reason like that.
Crazy.
She's very mean. I'm surprised she's so nice now. I think it's this new man in her life. They are really in love. You know that being in love makes a woman happy. But don't you think this man is too young for her?
Well, it depends. Please go away, do your job. Okay, look at it. After this, just go on this truck.
Who said?
Take the call. Hello?
Yeah, hello dear. I'm at the place now, yeah, I'm waiting.
Yes, I am on my way. There is traffic. I'm coming.
Yeah, Rose Resort.
Alright, you'll see me now.
Okay then, thanks. Thanks, alright, I'm waiting.
You don't give me looks like wedding gold. Baby, anything you want to make I do. Angina, I know the time you're back to my boo. You the bad road. If your body touch your mortgage.
Hello?
Baby, where are you now? It's almost 5:30.
I am on my way. There is traffic.
Okay, where exactly are you?
Be patient. You don't really want to see me.
Of course, you know I want to see you. Sorry for bothering you. It's just that I've been waiting. Okay, take your time. I'll be waiting, okay?
Okay. I just passed the Sheraton Hotel. You'll see me now, alright? Like in 15 minutes.
Alright then. I'm waiting.
Alright. Play the music.
Gina. Gina.
Let him wait.
Ladies call me talk and do. I know. Cause I know they gon' fuck and do. Dance for reggae, dance for blues. They blues. I turn by turn.
Hello, baby, where are you? What's going on?
Nothing, love. Sorry, I'm on my way back. Terrible traffic.
Baby, what traffic? I told you I have an important appointment for 6 and it's 5:45. Can you tell me what's going on? Come on, talk to me!
I know, I understand. Just bear with me. I'll be with you soon. I'm almost on my way.
I don't need your sorry. I need you to be here now.
I'm already on my way, okay? I'll be with you soon.
Okay then.
Hello, listen, Gina. I don't know. I think.
I'm here already.
Where exactly are you?
Where you asked me to come. I'm inside the restaurant.
Restaurant? You mean the bar?
No, I'm inside Rose Restaurant.
I didn't ask you to go to Rose Restaurant. I told you to come to Rose Gardens.
Oh, Richie, why? And you're suffering me like this. You're punishing me. You know I don't know my way around Lagos.
To me, Gina, we have to reschedule this meeting. I really have to be somewhere now.
Richie, don't try it. Come and pick me at Rose Restaurant now. Except you don't want to see me again.
Please, I'll call you about it later.
Okay, I'm waiting.
meaning of all this? What has come over you? How on earth can you keep me, Alice Inokoloma Swiss, waiting after I briefed you how important this dinner is? Do you know the implication? Do you?
I'm sorry.
What has come over you?
I'm sorry, darling, honestly. I'm sorry. I have never done a thing like this before, you know that. Please now, I promise a thing like this will not happen again. Please now.
Get off me. What's that for?
For you to say I'm sorry.
You're naughty.
I like you when you... I was wondering, how come you work in a hotel in Lagos? Because I know this is no coincidence.
I've had enough interrogation with the police after you did what you did, and my mother died as a result.
I'm sorry about that. I'm deeply sorry about that. I don't know. I wish there was something I could do to bring her back.
Get straight to the point. I already know you were deported, and now you're about to get married to Alison Sweet. But that's not my business. All I want is my money.
I was duped by CJ, my friend. He made away with everything. I was deported. But I make you a promise this day that I will pay every single dime I took away from you. Just give me time, please.
How long is the time? Because I know you're traveling to London in a few days.
Give me, I'll raise it in 2 days. I don't want anything to disrupt my wedding plans.
If I wanted to disrupt your plans, I would have come here with the police to arrest you. But that will not bring out my money. So please, stop embarrassing me.
Thank you. Now, I know you still love me. You have a good heart. Please take this for your stress and transportation. I should be on my way now.
You don't love Alison, do you? It's just for the money. And of course, escape abroad.
That is not the issue now. We're getting married.
Whatever. You can go.
Give me just one reason. Why do we cry when we love? Could it be the season? Oh, it's the wind from above. I'm kind my heart. Still you can never get away. Did you have to break my heart? Yes, and your evil will find you out. Your end will surely come for all the times you caused me pain. Did you have to make me cry? Did you have to live a lie? Did you have to break my heart? Soon your evil find you out.
So I'm gonna show you this one, just in case you do not like the other one.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about this one?
You like that one?
It's okay. What do you think?
I don't really.
My phone. Oh, it's Richard.
Take the call and put it on speaker. Right.
Hello?
Oh, honey, I'm glad to inform you I've raised the money. All of it.
Oh, really? How did you do it so fast?
Never mind. I'd like us to meet tomorrow at the usual place.
Is it in cash? I thought you would transfer it to my account.
No, it's check. I'll give you a check. Do you have a problem with that?
Oh, all I want is the money.
Okay, then tomorrow.
Thank you. Bye.
Hello.
Hello, where are you now?
I'm on my way.
Please hurry up, eh? Hurry up, I'm waiting for you right there with the check. It's ready.
I'll be there soon.
Oh boy, where are you doing?
I did here.
I don't dey here since now.
Okay, just give me a little time. I'll be with you soon.
Do make her come here. Where the farm?
Yes, just give me a little more time. Just a little more time. Make her clear now.
I don't get time. I be busy person. I know they take my time play.
Bros, no they hot. Cool down for me, I beg.
Guy, what did they worry you now? I know they take time keep foul.
Cool down now.
I won't come out here. Give me my balance. Make her come out here. Your time is up. Give me my money.
Bro, see,
Come on, give me my money, make her come out here. What did they worry you?
No, sorry.
What did they go for that one?
Sorry, no best now.
Come on, give close. And Naija, give my money. Fine. I am a busy man. Next time, new arrangement.
You actually think I'm still that same young naive girl you toyed with back then in Asaba? After killing my mother, you also want to kill me? No way. Watch your back, buddy. I'm all over and around you 24 hours. That's what you have to pay up. Else.
CJ, Richard, I need to talk to you. Richard, I've not been able to sleep because of you. I've been thinking. How can you help someone make 12 million naira without thinking of getting your own share of the money?
Is this the reason you woke me up at 2 a.m.?
Richard, 12 million naira can keep you awake, or is enough to keep you awake till 2 weeks.
Now you listen to me, CJ. I have had enough of your insults. What is wrong with you? How do you expect me to do such a wicked thing to a sick and dying woman just to satisfy your wild desires? How?
This is not about me, Richard. This is about you. For an example, I am not owing 2 million naira. I do not own an office space to pay the rent next month. Richard, you're not committing any crime. You're only taking what rightfully belongs to you. Richard, you and I know you deserve that money. No matter how you try, you know I am saying the truth. Richard, that woman has run her own race. You and I are just starting. That money can change our lives and that of our generation. Think about it.
I can't believe you can be this desperate, wicked and mean just because of money, CJ.
Richard, I can't believe you lack ambition and courage. I hate cowards, Richard.
I hate cowards, Richard! Be a man!
This boy to joke.
I should have remained a coward.
You know we have a hell lot to pack. I don't like going to the airport in a hurry.
I'll be up early to pack and arrange everything. You don't have to worry your pretty head about anything.
I have a bank transaction to make in the morning. 1 or 2 quick meetings here and there. Then we'll leave for the airport by 6 p.m.
Trust me, baby. I'll make it happen.
I feel as if I'm traveling for the first time just because you're traveling with me.
You know, everything seems lovely when you're around the one you love.
You and your sweet words. Where did you learn them from?
They just flow because I'm around you.
You're so sweet. You're so sweet. I'll rush out now. Alright.
Okay. Let me have that too. Let me have that. Sure. Okay, here we go. So what's the next move? Leave that to me. I'll fix it.
You are a genius.
And you are an aspiring genius, darling.
You are my mentor.
Richard will go down for this, trust me.
What is it? It's written urgency, man.
Okay, you can go back to the gate. Close the gates. Reverse this car. Off the engine.
Dear madam, this is the summary of the man that is close to your heart. This man duped my family the sum of 12.1 million meant for my mother's kidney transplant and ran away to America. My mother died. He was deported back to Nigeria 3 weeks before you met him. I'm sure you noticed some strange movements and behavior about him recently. He was having meetings with me on how to pay back the money. Enclosed is the $70,000 he paid to me yesterday evening by 5:15 p.m. at Rose Garden Resort. His name is Richard Maduka, the man you want to wed and settle down with.
Oh my God.
I wish you good luck, ma.
Oh my God.
Gina Abo, the new front desk girl you spoke to last week.
Oh my word! Oh my word! Oh! Get me my phone! Get me my phone! Hello? Is that the commissioner? Sir, I'm in trouble. Sir, I'm in trouble. Please send your men to come over to my house. There's an emergency. I'm trying to calm down. I'm trying to calm down, please. I'm trying to calm down. Just send your men.
Oh, see that? So fast?
Yeah, it's a little problem.
Problem? What problem is that?
The money I took to the bank was not complete. Did you take any money from my portfolio?
Come on, baby. How could you ask me a question like that? How can I take your money?
Sorry. I'm sorry for asking you such a stupid question.
You know, I have always warned you about your housekeeper. The way she goes through every room in this house in the name of cleaning, she could have taken your money, you know.
And I told you Alice had been with me for 10 years.
Come on, sweetheart. You trust people so easily. Stealing starts in one day.
Yes, you're correct. Stealing starts in one day.
Exactly.
Well, I've invited the police to come and arrest the criminal.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
That's what you should do.
Yes.
Yes.
That's what I did.
How can you let her go through every room, sir, and before you know it, one day she could just take your international passport or...
Nice this. Go through this.
In God's name, it's a devil. I'm sorry. I don't know what got into me. I didn't know. I beg you, please. Forgive me.
How?
Please.
How could I have trusted a common criminal like you? How?
It's not in my character, it's the devil. I swear.
Good. That's the criminal.
Honey.
Take this thing out of my house. Take him back to the courthouse where he belongs.
You cannot do this to me now.
Get up from there. Get up! You are under arrest. You have the right to remain silent. For whatever you say or do will be used against you in a court of law.
Only tell them I'm not a thief.
Shut up!
Please, I'm sorry.
Now move! 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 Move it! Move it!
Honey?
Move! Move it!
If you move, go with blood and go with your life.
Thank you very much. There is nothing I can do for you that will equate what you have done for me. I am so humbled by your intelligence and courage at such a young age. Here. This is a check of 12.1 million naira, being the amount the criminal stole from your family. I know that won't bring your mother back, but it can help you people pick up your lives again.
Auntie, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Auntie. Thank you.
It's okay, get up, sit down.
Thank you.
Sit down with me.
Thank you.
You earn it. Beside the money, you're going to be under my scholarship. I promise you read to any length of education you wish to attain.
Thank you so much, Auntie. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. And as for the criminal, he will serve a long jail term. I will see to that. For his so-called friend in the United States, I will use my connection over there. I will bring him back to face the music. That I assure you.
Thank you so much, Ma.
My dear, God has blessed you with sterling qualities. No man can curse you.
Amen. And thank you so much. Thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you.
It's okay.
And thank you so much.
Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you, Ma. My spirit is free now. Please help Papa to forgive me. I am strong and wiser. I am going to make you proud, Mama, I promise. I will make you proud. Mama, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Mama. Oh, God. Mama, I'm sorry. May your soul rest in peace, Mama. May your soul rest in peace. Daddy, I don't know if you will ever forgive me. I have been through a lot. I have missed your love and that of my brother. If only you could see the pain in my heart and how much I regret everything that happened. Though I have fought my battle, my happiness will not be complete if you do not find forgiveness from you. You raised me up with so much love and affection until that day. Daddy, please bring back that love. Take me back and call me your queen once again. Call me your Tata again. I love you, Gina.
it's the wind from above. Mankind is so unkind, his heart is a treacherous one. It's a painful world, surely this is not what I want. So broken is my heart.